All right, so today we're going to go over how to set up audio ducking in OBS. All audio ducking is the music gets quieter anytime you speak. And the reasons why we'd want this is if you're streaming and you're talking, you never want the music louder than you are because the chat's got to complain. But also, if you stop talking, you do want some kind of noise and something for the chat to vibe to, right? So let's go over how to set this up real quick. I use Spotify, so I'm going to click on Spotify in my sources, right-click on it, go to Filters. I'm going to click this plus sign, and we're going to add a compressor. Now, once you've got that in, I want you to choose your microphone input. Mine is called microphone. Yours is whatever you named it. The threshold, I want you to move to the left. And what this does is it starts to turn Spotify down as you're speaking. It's really important that you are constantly talking while you set this up in order to see the visual difference. And you're going to notice that right down here. So anytime I'm speaking, Spotify is turning down. If I stop talking, Spotify will turn back up. Not this slider, but the actual input or output that you're getting is going to change. The next thing to do is adjust your attack. So the attack is going to be how quickly this effect is happening. So with my setting, I have it at 13. Do what works for you. But 13 milliseconds after I start speaking is when Spotify starts to turn down. The release is the amount of milliseconds it takes for Spotify to come back up to whatever its max volume is set to. And that's really all you got to do. Click on close and now we're set. So if I stop talking, we focus right down here. We're going to see that the music is going to turn up. You'll hear it right now. Here you go. And that's it. So go ahead and get that set up. If it's not ducking enough, lower the threshold. And if it's too aggressive, raise the threshold. Check it out. Enjoy it. Have a good stream. See you later.